CNC is computer numeric control mills and lathes, and a lot of times the parts that we make are components to other machines, sometimes even the tools that CNC's machines use, whether they're the inserts or fixtures. We make either small or large, very precise parts.
Here at St. Paul College, we started students out with a full semester of hands-on training with manual mills, lathes, and grinders. Then we jump into the CNC mills and lathes, as well as the EDM. We're fortunate enough to have two of those here. Then we also have our own plastic injection molding machine.
I really enjoy working with the instructors because of the amount of freedom that I get. I can work at my own pace as well as have personalized instruction to the pace that I'm going.
My instructor tells me step by step, which I understand clearly.
They're really easygoing, they're nice and patient.
They have great teachers here and a great program that can get you trained up in about 3 semesters.
The majority of our students end up getting jobs part-time during their first and second semester, and the average for that right now has been around $20 an hour for part-time work. This industry is always changing, technology is always upgrading, so we're just staying with current trends and enjoying seeing our students prosper along the way.
It's a very fun program.
I highly recommend you to come. It's a really friendly school.
I couldn't think of a better way to get started in this career than what St. Paul College provides.